Welcome. In front of me I have CAVION Base 5.0 and I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable ringtone volume in this smartphone. So when you are pressing the volume button, up button, you can just enable ringtone volume, and if you want to press the volume down button, you can disable, just like that. If you have any problems with these buttons, for example, it doesn't work, you have to go for the settings, find sound settings, and here you can adjust the ringtone volume by using this switcher, by moving it on the left or the right, just like that. Oh, come on, let's mute. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.